In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Vimeo video private. This straightforward guide will take you through the steps needed to ensure that your selected video content is only visible to those you choose. Let's get started by signing into your Vimeo account. If you haven't done this in a while, no worries, it's a simple process. Just enter your login information and you'll be directed to your main Vimeo dashboard. Once you've logged in, your next task is to access your library. The library is where all your uploaded videos reside. Think of it as your personal video vault within Vimeo. To get there, also often labelled simply as My Videos, you just need to navigate through the menu options that you usually find at the top or side of the page, depending on your display settings. Now that you're in your library, scroll through your collection and click on the title of the video that you want to make private. This action will open the video settings page, which is the control center for all changes related to that particular video. Here, look towards the upper right corner of your page, where you'll notice the Share button. Click on it. This will bring up a panel that holds various options related to how your video is shared and who can see it. It's a crucial part of adjusting your video's privacy settings. Within this menu, focus on the privacy section. Depending on your version of Vimeo, the location might differ slightly, but typically you will find it prominently displayed in this panel. Click on the privacy section to dig deeper into the privacy options available for your video. You'll encounter several privacy settings that Vimeo offers. Now let's focus on the link privacy section. This is the section you need to modify to ensure your video is only viewed by an audience of your choosing. To do this, select the option labeled private as your privacy preference. This option will prevent your video from being publicly searchable or viewable by anyone who doesn't have permission. As you make this change, it's worth noting that your settings will save automatically. Vimeo has streamlined this process so that no extra steps are needed to confirm these changes. Once you select the private option, your adjustment is set and the video's new privacy status is active, and there you have it. With these easy steps, your Vimeo video should now be private, protecting your content as intended. Whether you're safeguarding personal memories or controlling distribution for professional reasons, these privacy settings are a valuable tool. Thanks for watching and happy video sharing.